All along Delmarva's coast, we love when our local businesses give back to the local communities that they serve.
Yes.
And that's exactly what our friends at Paul Davis Restoration have done. They are giving away a whole new kitchen.
Okay, how can I sign up? Please.
Well, they've already announced the winner, and that's
okay.
actually, we had a chance to be there when they told the winner the news that they are getting a new kitchen. So we're going to have to make our way back after the kitchen's all done so we can see it. But in the meantime, take a look at the surprise. Here on CoastLife, we love it when our local businesses support the communities that they serve. And Brian from Paul Davis Restoration is about to do just that. We have a lucky winner inside this house who's getting a whole new kitchen. So why do you guys even do this giveaway?
Well, we're a local business and we want to give back to the local community. And there's a lot of people that need it now and may not be the proper time for them. So this is a perfect time for us to give back.
Yeah, summer, I imagine, is busy. A lot of purse strings are a little bit tighter in the summertime. This is also sort of a summer-themed giveaway, so we came up with some summer prizes as well.
Yes, so we're going to continue to do this year after year, and this is our first one we've ever done. So I can't wait to get inside and show them what the new kitchen's going to look like.
Same, and for the first time that you've done this, you had a lot of entries, right?
We had a few hundred, and it may be in the thousands. So a lot of contestants came in, and this is our lucky winner.
Yeah, they really are a lucky winner. So what's been sort of maybe your favorite part of this whole process so far?
The contestants that have gone ahead and put in the registrations, we got to go through them and see what their needs were. It just happened to be where I grew up. So I'm from Seaford, and this was a perfect opportunity to give back for where I was raised.
Give back to the hometown. Well, we love it. Well, we are so excited. We're about to go let the winner know that they've got the new kitchen.
Congratulations!
Are you Christine?
Christine.
Christine!
Mike? All right.
Well, come on in. I know it's hot out there, guys.
How are you?
Nice to meet you, Leah. Leah? Nice meeting you.
Brittany, talk to you on the phone.
Brittany? Oh, you're Brittany.
Yes.
Let's put a face to you.
Yes, nice to meet you.
This is a summer kitchen giveaway. So we have all your summer gear. Leah and Brittany have brought some things for you. So you can give them a pack there.
Nice hats to protect you from
Straw
the
hat
sun.
and then one.
So we're here with Tracy and Michael. You guys just won a new kitchen.
How exciting.
How excited are you for this?
Well, this kitchen has been like this for so many years, and when I saw the contest online, I'm like, okay, let's try it. And then when they called and said, you're one of the finalists, I was like, finally, the kitchen's going to be done. Finally. Excited, very excited.
My understanding is you guys beat out a lot of people for this, so that's quite lucky. But what are some of your plans maybe for the kitchen?
Of course, all new cabinets, new stove, new floor, backsplash. We're gonna have kitchen cabinets over here, gonna kind of wrap around, have like a little bar area. And I'm not sure what else,
Imagination is the limit. Before we were talking a little bit earlier, now you guys said that how badly do you need this kitchen upgrade? I think you guys already started tearing down a little bit, right?
Not as bad as it gets.
yeah. I'm pretty bad, I've kind of gotten used to it like this way, but it's time to move on, time to get it done with, so I'm excited.
I heard that you had trouble even getting the fridge inside, right?
Oh yeah. Well, that's how it all started, because the refrigerator, before we had a 30-inch, and you can't buy 30-inch refrigerators anymore.
Right.
I mean, you can buy, but they're more money than a 36-inch refrigerator. So, of course, we had to get the new refrigerator, and that's how...
Now you got a new kitchen to go with it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we're so excited for you guys, and we can't wait to see it when it's all done.
Well, I'll send you pictures, or you can come back again and see the finished product. Up to you.
We can't wait, but don't go anywhere, because there's going to be more Coast Life coming your way.
This segment of CoastLife was brought to you by Paul Davis Restoration.